fine. Today we will start our 16th chapter, Agriculture in India. Okay. And you know what is the meaning of agriculture? Agriculture means farming. Okay. And our Indian 70% population are engaged in agriculture. Okay. And we are using two-third part of the land for the food crop and one-third part for the cash crop. Means these two types of crops we are growing, and the kind of crops grown in a region depend upon the type of soil, climatic condition, monsoons and irrigation facility. Means all these things also the important to grow the crops. And now cropping season means how many types of cropping season in our area? There are two types of cropping season. Okay, one is Kharif and one is Rabi season. And this season when it will start? It is started going on up to July to October. And this one Rabi season. Now this is going on, okay, in our India, means in north part of India, October to April. These two types of seasons in our India, one is Kharif, one is Rabi season. Okay, and how many types of crops we are growing in this season? In these seasons we are growing two types of crops like cash crop, food crop. One is food crop and cash crops. And food crop, beta, for growing for the human consumption like rice, wheat, milk, pulses, but cash crops we are growing for the commercial use. Okay, and like that cotton, oil seeds, sugarcane, jute, beverages, okay, spices also. And food crop, rice, it is grown in that type of area then have experience heavy rainfall, and it requires very wet and warm climate. It grown West Bengal, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, some states name they have given in your book. Okay, and second, wheat is the winter crop in North India. It is growing and it grown in the winter season. It requires properly irrigation and cool climate. Now we are experiencing this type of climate, and now Rabi season in our North Plain India. And Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, many states there wheat is growing there, but Uttar Pradesh is the largest wheat producing state in India. And pulses is an important sources of protein in our diet. We are taking daily in our diet this type of pulses like moong, arhar, chana. Okay, and which is the largest producing state in our India? Madhya Pradesh is the largest pulses producing state in our India. After that, we will do cash crop. Okay, cash crop means cotton, jute, sugarcane, beverages, spices. Okay, sugarcane. Sugar, we are getting sugar, obtain sugar from the sugar cane, and mainly many states they have given their Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, but Uttar Pradesh is the leading producing state of sugar cane. After that, cotton, Cotton is a fiber crop, okay, and it is using to make clothes. Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, these are the cotton producing state, and our India is the third largest cotton producing country in the world. And after that, beta, oil seeds, we are getting oil from that type of seeds like mustard seeds, okay, and groundnut, linseed. They have given some pic also in your book. And Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, these are the main oil seed producing state. Clear? And last one of the jute. Jute is also called the golden fiber, okay, and it is also a commercial crop. We are getting a huge profit, okay, to export this, and we are using this to make bags and rope, doormats and other article. West Bengal are the leading producing state of jute in our India, okay. Beverages means tea, coffee, cocoa beans we are using. Tea is majorly grown in Assam, West Bengal and Nilgiri hills in Karnataka, and it is grown in Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. Many eastern, mostly all eastern states they have given, okay. Coffee and cocoa are grown in Karnataka, and Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka produce more than 55% coffee in the world. And you know, tea from Assam and Darjeeling are the very famous all over the world. After that, rubber. Rubber is a plantation crop, okay. Rubber is also, we are getting rubber from the plants, okay. It is also the plantation crop, and it grown plantation in the Nilgiri and Kerala. Clear? And here some pictures are there, students. Those I want to show you better, means how, but which type of activity we are doing when we are growing crops. Firstly, preparation of soil, means how we prepare the soil, okay. Like this, we are using this type of equipments, machines to prepare the soil. After that, soil and adding manures and fertilizers, means manures होता है खाद, कैसे यूज करते हैं उसको. Irrigation, okay, crops for the water to the crops. After that, storage, then how we are storage the crops, and threshing, harvesting and weeding, okay. These some pictures they have given, okay. After that, beta, that I have given to you one flow chart, how you make flow chart, okay. You have to make this type of flow chart. It can come in your exam also. Here you have to write the cropping season, okay. Kharif, Rabi season. Food crop, and cash crop. After that, you have to give 2 or 3 examples of each crop. Food crop like rice, wheat, okay, barley, cash crop, coffee, tea, sugarcane, etc. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. Okay, bache, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.